This is the Wahl Pro Series kit. It comes in this large box. And inside the box then is this case. The case itself measures, it's big. It's like almost 12 inches by 10 by almost 5.5, so it's pretty big. The whole thing itself, the whole thing weighs 4.5 pounds, so it's substantial. So in the case you get, this is the quick start guide. You get some other paperwork that explains things. I'm guessing this is the like a gown type of thing. Here's the trimmer itself. It's heavy duty. Let's see here. Just the trimmer itself weighs 1 pound, 3.7 ounces. So it's pretty substantial. So also in the case, you have charging cord, oil, comb in there, you can see, and then all the various, there's a brush, I don't know if we can see that without taking it all out of there, and then a bunch of the trimmer attachments. Also in this little box, oh yeah, is the other little trimmer, much smaller. The hair cutting scissors. Some more paperwork down in there. And then this is a hard plastic box. Okay, so those must have been all the attachments for the smaller trimmer. These are all the big heavy-duty giant attachments for the large unit. So, and I believe they all go in here once you take them out. So that's pretty neat. Let's see if this wants to close again. There we go. And then the case also has a section up here for storage. You could probably put your charging cords and things up there. So I hope that was helpful.
Here are these Pro clippers here. Comes with a guard like this. I usually just keep it on it after I'm done. Very easy to use. Nice heavy weight to it as well. Just your basic switch there. And then one other thing I really like about it is the braided cord. Just makes it really nice and convenient. Feels really good. And they even have the protector on there for, you know, hopefully it doesn't get kinked and bent. I really like the idea of having AC power too. That way I can, if I don't have to worry about recharging it and those things, so it's always ready to go. I like that. Nice little case organizer here. You can see all the sizes, nicely labeled. The metal part is only here, and the clip that goes on the device there. Which I'm really happy for the metal clip. I think that's a really nice idea. I will say this though, the only thing I really kind of didn't like about these is they're very bendable, as you can see there. So, and on this one, it doesn't really matter as much, but when you get to some of the ones, I'm just pushing it against the head. You can see how easily they can just kind of go over some there. So you have to kind of just be a little careful, especially if you're going around things and, on your head. So just keep that in mind. Other than that, I love the set. I think it's really good. I don't notice any hair pulling, anything like that with this device as well. And I just take this off for a second, show it to you. Everything came well, nice, clean. Of course, you have your adjustability there as well. It stays into place really nice and easy too, which is, I think, a good feature. I like that. And you get to see there the USA. So it does come with this device here too, and this one is rechargeable, so keep that in mind. And they give you a bag of pieces for your fine trimming and things like that. But I think this is really nice quality. It feels good. Like I said, I have used rechargeable ones, but I always just kind of forget to charge them or lose chargers. I'm notorious for that. So this was a nice addition. If I don't have to worry about that. I do like the box organizer instead of just trying to grab everything in here, which sometimes is a pain. So I like having things organized like that. So just wanted to show you some of the pros and cons that I experienced with it, and I think it works great. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. I will still give it 5-star review, just because, you know, this is just a minor thing here. Just drop it and they don't break. They're pretty good with that. But just like you said, I just wish that these were just a little bit stronger and not as bendable. So I'm not sure if they did that for comfort or what their purpose was in that. But I do like the stainless steel clips, as I mentioned before, and they seem well attached in there with the rivets as well.